The new MS070 chainsaw is a powerhouse, boasting a robust 4.2 kW engine that makes it perfect for a variety of tasks, from forest harvesting to timber building and branching. Its high power ensures efficient cutting, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The ergonomic design also enhances comfort during extended use, reducing fatigue. Plus, you can snag this impressive chainsaw at an incredible discount of up to 70% off. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Check the link in the description or comments to grab yours today.